Jose de Guzman Tamayo was born on September 10, 1920 in Alcala, Malasique, Pangasinan. Peping was the eldest among the 5 children of Mariano Tamayo and Maria de Guzman. Peping was an industrious child and loved by everyone. He was a very intelligent boy. He was in fact an outstanding student from elementary up to college. Ever since he was a child, he always dreamt to become a doctor. Armed with the determination to achieve his goals and ambitions, he went to Manila to study medicine at the University of Santo Tomas. In 1944, he graduated magna cum laude and topped the medical board examination. A few years later, he finished his residency in obstetrics and gynecology, also in UST, and became a scholar at the Johns Hopkins University. He also was a fellow of the Philippine Obstetrical Society and a member of the American Fertility Society. Respected by colleagues in the medical profession circle, he was elected as president of the Philippine Medical Association and the Philippine Hospital Association and the Manila Medical Association. Dr. J married his classmate, Dr. Josefina Laperal, and became a partner in every endeavor he had taken. Jose and Nena received the sacrament of matrimony on September 2, 1944, in the presence of his family and friends. They epitomized an ideal partnership. Despite the enticing opportunities and lucrative practice in Manila that awaits a bright young doctor like him, he brought along his wife Josefina and moved to the countryside to serve as rural physicians. 7 years of practice in Malasique attests his dedication to serve the rural folks and foresight long before the Department of Health's Doctors to the Barrio program was even conceptualized. He had already recognized the urgency and offered his services to bring health to the countryside. Jose and Nena were blessed with 12 children: Antonio, Maria Teresa, Marianito, Arcadio, Roberto, Manuel, Rafael, Marcia Ana, Maria Florencia, Jose Mauro, Maria Consorcia, and Victor. Despite the many challenges of rearing 12 children, Dr. J became a recipient of the Gintong Ama Award. When Dr. J's 12 young children were already schooling, they decided to transfer to Sampaloc, Manila. At the back of UST, the couple built a clinic in the ground floor of their residence. Initially serving the immediate neighborhood, they ended up receiving patients from nearby places. Thus, the need to expand the clinic to a hospital and then to a college of nursing at the start in 1969. The school was named Perpetual Help College. Dr. Tamayo named their patroness the Mother of Perpetual Help. The concept of perpetual help had somehow weaved into the philosophy of the institution Dr. J founded, perpetually helping, always providing service. The expansion of these educational and healthcare institutions reached Biñan, Laguna, and Las Piñas in 1974. The eldest son, Antonio, led the establishment in Las Piñas of the Perpetual Help College of Rizal. And after a few years, the vision of Dr. Jose came into being with the founding of the satellite campuses in Calamba, Laguna, Molino, Cavite, GMA Cavite, Kawayan, Isabela, and Malasique, Pangasinan. Though he thought of his involvement in the academe is but an extension of his role as a physician, finding ways to be an effective one, he had become a distinguished educator because of his contribution in the advancement of the country's educational system. He was a member of the technical panel in medical education of the Commission on Higher Education, president of the Filipino Association of Medical Educators, and the Association of Colleges and Schools of Nursing. Dr. J, as a Grand Patriarch, was considered as a father figure to thousands of students, patients, and employees of the University of Perpetual Health System. Dr. J ran for public office as senator back in 1990s, authored a book on health tips for everyday living, and hosted a segment of Tropang Pinoy, Usapang Pangkalusugan.
Magandang hapon po uli, mga kaibigan. Andito uli si Dr. J para talakayin natin ngayon isang interesanting bagay, reproductive health. Alam nyo, hindi lang babae ang nag-aalaga ng sarili para dito. Lalaki, babae. At yung general rule natin na no abuse, no overuse, no unuse ay isang prinsipyo sa lahat ng bagay tungkol sa pamumuhay.
Always pushing frontiers in health and education, his strongest advocacy campaign was the passage of the Medicare bill and the full implementation of the National Health Insurance Law, or Republic Act 7875. His contributions to different endeavors are likewise not missed. On the occasion of the 428th Araw ng Maynila, Dr. J received the Outstanding Manilan Award for 1999 from the Office of the Manila Mayor in recognition of his outstanding contributions in medical education and leadership in medical practice and health cooperatives advocacy. His involvement in Los Maduros earned him a Distinguished Service Award as Grand Maduro, where he initiated and implemented social, medical, and civic projects for the people of Biñan. Rotary Club Biñan awarded him the Community Achiever Award in the field of health and education. As a distinguished alumnus of the University of Santo Tomas, he was voted as president of the UST Honor Graduate Association. Dr. J had a dream. He not only dared to dream, but he dared to live that dream. To his children, he was Papa. To his friends, he was Piping. And to the countless men and women whom he had shared his dreams and vision with, he was the beloved Dr. J.